Hello, it's day 10. Today's topic is limits. I believe limits are a good and sometimes not so good thing. Right? First, limits with your mental and learning and knowledge acquisition should be unlimited. Right? Learn as much as you can from as many different sources as possible, but when you try to apply your knowledge, right? Knowledge is the application. Then you have to distill it down way down to what you can actually do. The smaller the better. MVP, minimum viable product. Minimum viable product. You don't want to make these grand statements. You just do something really small, really simple. Get that out. Once you have one, you can tinker with it. Take what you've learned from that one to make another one. Learn from that, take another one. And then I think once you've done 3, then you can think about moving on to larger and broader scaled stuff. So if you want to make a song, make a demo. If you're going to make a comic, make a 4-page comic. Right? If you want to do exercise, do a minimum set. But you're just going to have to do it daily. So yes, limits. They're great. They're a good thing. I've let some things get away from me, so yeah, limits. They're a good thing. So that's day 10, and I'll see you in the next one.